In this video, we're going to do a speed and acceleration test on this Ridstar Q20 e-bike that I sourced online. A link to this bike is above and also in the description. This bike is outfitted with a 48 volt 20 amp hour battery that's mated to a 1000 watt rear hub motor that peaks at 1200 watts. It has a 7-speed transmission. It comes with a key, a half twist throttle, headlight, tail light, fenders, and full hydraulic brakes, which is a nice feature for this price point. All right, we're gonna do a speed and acceleration test. We're gonna check it with the speed app, and then we'll validate it with the GoPro telemetry data. We're gonna do it on this long straightaway. Let's get started. Here we go. Nice acceleration. 20 miles an hour in 9 seconds. That's no pedaling. 25 in 14 seconds. All right, on that speed run, we got to 30.7 miles an hour. All right, let's try this speed run. We're gonna hit the reset button and we're off. Got to 20 miles an hour in 9 seconds again. 25 in 14 seconds. 28 in 17 seconds. I'm gonna try getting low. Keep pedaling if I want. All right, on that speed run, I got to 31.1 miles an hour for top speed. We're gonna hit the reset button. Let's see what we can do. This time I'm gonna give it a pedal. Got to 20 miles an hour in 6 seconds. 25 in 10 seconds. 28 in 18 seconds. All right, on that run, I got to 31.2 miles an hour, which is about 50 kilometers per hour. That's about the max that I've seen it do. We'll validate that with the GoPro telemetry data. So on my speed test, I was consistently able to get to 31 miles an hour or 50 kilometers per hour. I'm pleased with those results. That's about what I expected for this bike with a 1000 watt hub motor and a 20 amp output on the controller. So I hope that you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.